Further ado, let's move to Dr. Cindy and let's hear from her because her fantastic face and voice is maybe a little bit more pleasant than mine. So let's go check her out. Oh, there we go. There we go.
Dr. Cindy Hodgson here. I'm a physical therapist, exercise physiologist. I've been working with the body very intimately for 28 years as a hands-on myofascial release therapist. And I have worked a lot with the energy flow of the body because when we're working on the bodies, we can actually feel that energy flow. Now, don't get freaked out when we talk about energy flow in the body. We all have energy flowing within us and emanating out from us. And I feel like that's become really more of a commonplace awareness now, is that we are energetic beings. In fact, every single cell in our body has a positive and negative charge. There's all kinds of positive and negative forces flowing through our body all the time. So let me tell you about this device. It's the Oli Life Terahertz P90, and if you've heard of the term PEMF before, it is a frequency-based technique or treatment that has been approved by the FDA since the 70s. And there's been a multitude of equipment out there that, well, really not a multitude, some equipment out there that is more for commercial use. It's very expensive, and it's not been something to really kind of bring into the homes of people until, at least at an affordable level, I would say, until this machine, which is the first machine to put with it terahertz and PEMF. So what does that mean? Well, let's think about how our bodies, you ever just feel drained? We get, our energy gets drained, that sort of thing. And so what I think this device is kind of like a supercharger. The earth is like a giant magnet. And because we are energetic beings, when our feet are directly on the ground, we are getting grounded. We are getting energy from the earth. We are getting the electrons that can come through and actually help us feel better. It helps us to decrease pain, all kinds of things. It re-energizes us. It's like plugging your phone into a battery. So this device is kind of like that. It's like a supercharged battery for your body. It's taking geomagnetism idea, and there's multiple patents on this, by the way, so kind of mimicking, only supercharging this geomagnetism similar to the earth and grounding and regenerating our body. That energy from the device flows up through the bottom of our feet, through the meridians, through the microtubules in the body, which is all over the body. The fascia is part of this microtubule system, all the in and out areas of the cells, just our entire body. When you use this machine, most people can feel it. You might not feel it at the lower levels if you're not super sensitive to it, but over time you will. And it is amazing to feel this energy flowing through your body. It's trying to heal us and helping to get the body back to its normal state, and even better as it is coursing through our system. So if you can even Google medical benefits or health benefits of PEMF, you'll see a lot of things out there. And terahertz, which is fairly new using in devices like this, it is the first time being used with PEMF. And so when you have this device going, you just simply put your feet on it for up to 30 minutes at a time. You can do it twice a day, or you can do shorter sessions throughout the day, maybe 10 minutes a few times, or you might do 15 minutes in the morning, 15 minutes in the evening, or you might do it every other day and not every day. So whatever works for your lifestyle. And people often say, well, how often do you use this, or what levels do you use? And it's really individual. We recommend people go very low and slow, staying at the first couple of levels, maybe even a less amount of time, just to make sure that the detoxing benefits of this device don't give you any discomfort, like sometimes headaches or GI distress as you are detoxing. So can you imagine just putting your feet on this thing twice a day and getting a deep detox and a recharging of every cell in your body so that you can fight aging, you can fight illness, you can begin to heal? And I have seen people have improved range of motion, better sleep, improved circulation, decreasing the edema in their legs, so many things. And what I especially see is the calm that this brings my patients. I'll often have them do this before a treatment, and I can actually feel the difference of how their body is able to receive this. So another way that you can use this, we have this available at our studio. You can make appointments and you can come every day if you wanted, or you could come a few times a week or once a week. I've seen people benefit from even just coming once a week or a few times if you want to try it out. Now, I caution you, because you're not going to necessarily see incredible results the first few times you use it. Some people do, but not everyone does. Most people don't. It's using it over time as the body continues to heal. And the more things you have to work through, the little longer it might take to really see some big differences. But this is one of those things that we can have access to over a long period of time to promote optimal wellness and health and decrease the signs of aging and just the degeneration of our body. It actually helps to regenerate just the life force throughout our body. So that is just a really quick definition about what this Oli Life P90 machine does. I love this thing. I've had it only for a few months, and I can see definite change in my energy and my sleep, and I didn't really have any complaints, So, and even if I have some soreness from working out or something comes up, I'll really focus on this over a few days, and it's just incredible how it's resolved. So I'm super excited about this, if you can't tell. And if you have any questions, ask the person who gave you this video, or feel free to reach out and we can give you some answers. So PEMF, check it out. And this is with terahertz at the same time. It's so super simple to use. So you can sit there, have a conversation with someone, you can sit there and meditate while you're doing it. You might need even watch a show. It's best if you're calm and quiet, but for those of us who are super busy doing lots of stuff, it's a really quick way to get an amazing treatment into your day.